Hello, this is a little video just to help you with the Unit 4 project. There are 3 tasks that you're going to complete for the project. The first one is that you're going to create a sample. So you're going to go to Zillow, and just like we did in the Unit 3 project, and I suggest that you choose the same area that you were going to buy your other house, because this might give you some insight into the average prices of homes in that area. So you're going to go to that area and let me know the zip code where you search, because if something gets mixed up, you might want to be able to go back and find that. I would like you to choose 35 randomly selected homes. So I have a table here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 rows. So 35 spaces. And you're just going to choose 35 random homes in that area for sale and let me know what those are. Then you are going to use Desmos to find the mean, the median, the mid-range, and the mode of those 35 homes in your sample up here. Then in number 3, it says, what do your calculations suggest is the average price of a home in the area? So we talked about the 4 measures of average up here, but we also talked about how to choose the one that best describes your data. I would like you to do that. Then in number 4, you're going to calculate the range and the standard deviation of your data in Desmos. Make sure you're saving your Desmos work, because you'll need to upload that along with your Google Doc. Then using your sample mean and standard deviation, you're going to fill out this curve just like we did in class. Remember, I want to know the percentages in each of these little columns in the curve, and then along the bottom should be the values of the home values that go along with the breakpoints, just like we learned in class in the workbook. Then in number 6, I'm asking you to find the value that would be considered to be unusually expensive for your data using the typical values we learned in class. And then number 7 says, what do your calculations suggest about the variation in home prices? What did the measures of average and variation say about the home prices in your area? Okay, then the second task is asking you to look at population values. So remember, you just took a sample of home prices in your area. I would like you to go to Zillow or just Google and say, what is the average price of home in Marco Island? So I could do, I've been researching Marco Island, so I could say, what is the average price of homes in Marco Island? Okay. And it would tell me, don't choose those. Go down and find one where it actually calculated. Zillow has an average price home. So the average says it's 908,000. But remember, I looked at one that was 14 million. So, so you're going to tell me what the average price says. And that's going to be your population price. And then it says, how close are your sample values to the population values? Why are they different? And why might someone use the sample values to make a claim about the population? So I want you to kind of think. Question number 2 is thinking outside the box about your area that you researched homes and the data that you collected. Let me know if you have any questions.